All right.
So I'm just gonna make a recap of DXY. Right. So what I said last week is because we failed to make that higher high, it's the first sign of reversal, right? We were able to hold this level and then sellers push it back down, make that lower low, and then the third sign of reversal would be a lower high, and we have it here, right? That's the zone that we were looking at. So this one got respected, reject, and then push up to the next level, this one, and then whoop, drop. So this confirmed the reversal on DXY. So if we look on gold, so what happened on gold is we had that lower low here, and I was expecting some sort of break and retest scenario. So it was the zone here or here. So we play between here and then whoop, continue to the downside. So to buy, I was expecting two levels, either this one, but it was not a strong level, or this one here. Why? Because the top, right? Top here, boom, and then snipe the top, half, push it back up, and then whoop, touch this level here and reject it. Bam. It's nice, right? So this is for gold. Do we have something on US 30? Nope. Still bullish. And yeah. So I had this zone here. Yeah. Had this zone here for NAS. We did respect the zone here, cover the imbalance, play at the top. One tap, two tap, let's say, and then whoop, push it up. So it was nice to look for buys at this area. For GU, so GU, what happened? Wow, beautiful. So on the we had this level here. I didn't have this level. It was more here, got respected here. At least TP1 went up and then whoop, dropped. So I didn't have this level. I was just putting this level because of this low here, but it was not a level I was looking at. For GU, I was looking for this level here. Wow, the optimal, let's say, level. So, and this area got respected. Boom. If you're looking for short, boom, drop. And then for buys, why I was looking for buys at this area, it was because imbalance, right? And we have what? Higher high from this level here. Bullish, very bullish. So I was looking for potential retest at this area. Wow, nice confirmation. Here, close above, close above, close above. And if you manage to buy here, whoop, it pumped up. So it was nice for GU. Well, something like EU. So yeah, nothing. So I'm just gonna move this. We go this, and yeah, I was looking at this level here for EUY. Just gonna move this because boom, make the high. So a top that has been broken can potentially become the new bottom. Tested one time, two times, couple times right at this area. So if we're looking for buys at this area, was nice. And then of course we had CPI turn out to be negative for the US. So that's why we saw Euro USD, GU, and gold go to the upside, right? Do we have something else? I think that's it. JPYX is still tanking, so not much to say. Yeah, so that's why GJ still bullish. CAD, do we have something like CAD? Oh, wow. So I'm expecting potentially a short at this supply zone. Wow, bone here dropped, so at least if you want two, depends on your setup. So we did see a nice push to the downside. So now let's see if buyers are able to break above. Do we have something on EJ? Nah, nothing. Still bullish. That's it. So that's for the recap. Peace.